Hey everyone, it's Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and this week, just the tip, is all about bathrooms. So I'm assuming you probably use your bathroom on a daily basis to get ready, but when's the last time you took a look at all your products, you took a look at your routine and everything you're using and optimized that? What I really want you to focus on this week is taking a look at that routine. What products do I use for my skin? What products do I use for my hair, my body? What do I use to get ready? How could I make this more efficient? Are there things living in my bathroom that no longer need to live there that I could easily get rid of or donate to make space for the items that I do use? So I recently did this in my bathroom and it was a total game changer. I just pulled out the products that I love right now. I put those front and center, kind of rearranged everything else so it wasn't taking up my prime real estate. And it's so much easier to get ready in the morning. And I really hope you'll give this a try if you're kind of struggling for time in the morning. And you're gonna find that your routine is so much more optimized just by setting up your bathroom. So I highly recommend getting after your bathroom this week. And let me know how it went in the comments. All right, that's it for this week's Just the Tip. I will see you next week. Goodbye.